Hello everyone, my name is Asal Khan. I'm from Pakistan and I'm currently working as a doctoral candidate with the EXBRINER project at Leuven, Belgium. My project focuses on the separation of lithium and magnesium using nanofiltration.
Hello, I'm Meghna Venu. I'm a PhD student at Nova University, Lisbon. I'm working in EXBRINER project under the topic of reverse electrodialysis, where I'm fabricating profiled ion exchange membranes to enhance RAD stack performance.
Hello everyone, I'm Robel Brahana, currently pursuing my doctoral studies at the University of Calabria under the EXBRINER project. My research focuses on developing and operating a lab-scale prototype that integrates membrane technologies to efficiently extract water, energy and valuable minerals from seawater and brine sources.
Hello, my name is Sotne Ladiani. I come from Georgia and I'm doing a PhD in the University of L'Aquila thanks to the EXBRINER project. And I'm studying thermoplasmonics embedded in the membranes to decrease the thermal polarization that is keeping membrane distillation away from the commercial usage. In other words, if we succeed, we will have a greener way to distill water instead of reverse osmosis.
Hello, my name is Maria Leopoulou. I come from Greece and I am currently working at the Italian Institute of Technology in Genova, Italy. My role in EXBRINER is the advanced characterization of photothermal inks and membranes developed by my fellow DCs for the treatment and valorization of brine.
Hello everybody, I'm Federico De Sommi and I'm doing my PhD at UCT in Prague. My PhD is based on the fabrication of a new type of membrane that should be able to separate lithium from sodium and recover it. And lithium recovery is quite important for the future because it's like the base for many green applications.
Hello, my name is Anastasia Lima. I'm a PhD student in EXBRINER project and my project is about bipolar electrodialysis. In bipolar electrodialysis, it's possible to produce acid base from brine. And with this, it's possible to use these two products in other industry.
Hello, I am Indira Chamanlal and I am doing my PhD at INSA Toulouse in France. The title of my PhD thesis is the design and manufacture of innovative solar-powered vacuum membrane distillation modules for brine concentration.
Hello, I'm Asif Saud and currently I'm working at Aalborg University, Denmark. My PhD topic under EXBRINER project is all about recovering magnesium and lithium by using different membrane crystallization technology.
Hello, my name is Arula Salom Iwaye and I'm a PhD student within the EXBRINER project at the Institute of Membrane Technology, ITM CNR in Italy. My research within this project focuses on understanding and improving the stability of membranes when operated under hypersaline condition. Of course, the fouling and stability issue is one of the biggest challenges in desalination and brine treatment process.
The secondments that I have within the EXBRINER framework include an industrial secondment at Polymem in Toulouse, an academic secondment at Aalborg University, as well as an additional academic secondment at UPC in Barcelona. So far I've completed 2 of them, including the industrial secondment and one at AAU in Aalborg, Denmark.
The secondment in Charles University, where I had the opportunity to work in a real chemical lab with a real hands-on experience. Many thanks to them again.
In total, I have 3 secondments and 2 of them has been completed. First one was in KU Leuven, Belgium. Second one was in University of Calabria, Italy. And third one will be in Polymem, France.
My secondment at the University of Chemistry and Technology in Prague, where I was working on the strategies to develop an ion exchange membrane for the electrodialysis application. And yeah, the another experience is my secondment at JVS, which is also a membrane company. And at JVS, I learned how to transform the activities that is from the lab-based activities into industrial scale applications.
I have my secondments starting from UCT Prague, which I'm currently doing, followed by PCCell Germany, and at the end at University of Calabria.
To start the PhD, I was in Prague for my first secondment. There, it was possible to create a new model in 1D for bipolar membrane. And with this, it's possible to understand how the bipolar membranes work.
On secondment in Aalborg at AAU, Denmark. And then my industrial secondment will be at PCCell, Germany. And finally, I will have the secondment in Nova, Lisbon, Portugal.
The planned secondments during my PhD were, in my opinion, a great opportunity for gaining a wider perspective. I got to experience the daily life and work environment of different places, both in KU Leuven and the University of L'Aquila, and I got to connect with people who share similar goals with me towards a more sustainable future.
Currently, I'm working on my first secondment at Universitat de Politécnica de Catalunya, Barcelona, which has allowed me to work in a multicultural environment and to learn the skills at another institution and help me grow in my network, and also to help me focus more on the project than in a single environment, and has allowed me to work in multiple environments rather than be focused in just one lab. I'm able to more focus on other labs and see how the problem can be tackled from other points as well.
During my secondment at CNR, I critically evaluated how the combined direct contact membrane distillation, selective electrodialysis process manages energy and exergy flows for lithium recovery from geothermal brine.
The best thing that I like in the EXBRINER project is the opportunity to travel to different labs and different institutes, and this allows us to benefit from all of the resources that these other institutes have. We also have a large connection base with our colleagues doing their theses in different subjects, as well as professors who are knowledgeable and who are experts in different fields as well, and also those relating to our own. So we are able to learn a lot, and we can gain experience easily within the consortium.
The best part of EXBRINER project is the framework of the project, as well as the opportunity to work in different labs with different people who are expert in their field, and also easy access to all the people. If I have any confusion or I have some new idea which I need to discuss.
Part of the EXBRINER project, it's connected with other students that try to solve the problem of the brine, with different technologies and different professors that understand about the topic, about membrane technology.
EXBRINER is more than just a research project. It's a kind of community working together to achieving a more sustainable world. And I'm proud of being a member of this project, and also proud of the journey, and I look forward into a more sustainable
Various Ladowska-Curie actions gives the freedom to the young scientists they need to find themselves in science. I'm sure that at the end of the project we will get to the promised deliverables, but not only that, we will get 10 young researchers eager to start their own projects to shape our future in more sustainable.
It gave me especially the opportunity to travel a lot and to have a good networking within the projects and also with some industrial companies.
In the EXBRINER network, I had the chance to meet and collaborate with some great people and scientists, and to explore and deepen my knowledge in characterization techniques by working with a wide range of materials with the application of recovery of minerals from brine.
As I have been part of EXBRINER project, I have been provided with ample amount of opportunities, whether it be in terms of conferences, workshops and collaborations. This has led to immense connectivity for me within the field of different sectors of membrane science.
For me, it would be the extensive collaboration and the network they have provided us from the start, where we are taught to work as a group instead of an individual researcher, which helps us to grow further than most people. It also provides a sense of belonging where mostly researchers are just working alone.
EXBRINER, it's more than research project. It is a collaborative effort focused on advancing sustainable recovery of resources. So our goal is to develop processes that maximize resource extraction while moving toward zero liquid discharge to minimize environmental impact. So being part of this initiative means contributing to practical solutions that balance efficiency, sustainability, and economic feasibility.
There were difficulties along the way, but none were too large to handle, and the process itself trained me in a way that I started looking at every problem as an opportunity to redefine my ideas and also look for better approach to solve the problem.
The PhD journey has its complexities, and without those issues, no one would appreciate the effort. Nothing worthwhile comes easy, right? In this time, I changed my direction several times within the EXBRINER, but the freedom and the vast opportunities from the project helps you to find yourself in a
Experience in EXBRINER has been extremely fruitful. Initially, I did face some challenges, but now, as and when I'm diving deep into the field, it is becoming much more interesting to me.
The biggest challenge in my project in my PhD is being creative to solve the problem of the technology that I'm studying and connect with different cultures.
Some of the challenges that I face include technical issues that I face with my experimental work in the lab and both at pilot scale. These sort of issues come with equipment as well as other issues that I might face in the lab. But however, this has given me valuable insights as well as technical skills in order to deal with these different types of equipment and also how to problem solve.
My PhD journey I'm very satisfied with it.
There were challenges along the way, but this can also be the fun part of the journey. For me, the biggest challenge was understanding the different processes involved so I could better target the needs of each characterization.
The biggest challenge I faced during my PhD is the part of uncertainty. You never know what your results are going to come out as, what experiments you're doing, you focus on doing for the last couple of days are going to work out with. And it had taught me that, okay, you are allowed to fail sometimes, but that helps you grow. Failing is part of life, and that can help us grow. And this has taught me also resilience, that you need to keep going at it until you get to your destination.
Experience in EXBRINER has been extremely fruitful. Initially, I did face some challenges, but now, as and when I'm diving deep into the field, it is becoming much more interesting to me.
Major challenge I faced during my PhD journey has been dealing with unpredictability of research. Experiments often don't go as planned, and also interpreting complex results can be difficult. This experience has taught me the importance of patience and flexibility, helping me remain persistent and adapt to unexpected obstacles while progressing in my work.